In this video, I'm going to show how to calculate running total in Power Query. As you can see, I have already imported the table into Power Query. So what is running total? Running total is the accumulation of rows. I mean, when I will be in the first row, it is the summation of first row value. When I will be in the second row, it is the summation of first row and second row value. When I will be in the third row, it will be the summation of first row, second row and third row value, and so on. First, I will refer the enter table by adding a column. So I will go to add column, and from add column, I will click on custom column. I will give the column name running total. Here, I will write the last step, which is change type. As you can see, the last step consists of two words which is separated by space. So I will use pound sign and write the last step in inverted comma, changed type. If I click OK, you can see I have got table in each row. If I click on the blank space of the first row, you can see this is the entire table. Now I have two tables. This is my outer table and this is my inner table. I will compare the date of outer table with the date of inner table to get my expected result. Let me go back to my step and revise it. Now I will write a function which is table dot select rows, and the first argument is table as a table. I have already the table, comma, and the next argument is condition as function. Here I will write a variable to refer my inner table. So I'll write the variable name in round bracket. I can write any name for my variable. Now I will write equal and greater than sign to go to my function. So the condition is if the inner table, so I'll write the column name in the square bracket date. If the date of inner table is less than or equal to date of the outer table, return the respected rows. I will close the bracket and click OK. You can see now I have my expected rows. In the first row, I have got the first row. If I click on the second row, I have got two rows, which is February and January. If I click on the third row, I have got three rows, which is March, February and January. But I don't need the entire table. I only need the order amount column. So I will call the order amount column by using square bracket. I will write the column name order amount. I will click OK. You can see I have got now list, and in each list I have got my expected value. In the first row I have got first value. In the second list I have got two value, which is February and January. Now I will just use a function to sum them. So I will press enter and write the function which is list.sum and just close the bracket and click OK. So I have received the running total. I will show you another way to calculate the running total. So I will duplicate the table. In this table I will delete all the steps. At the beginning I will add a index column. So I will go to add column. From add column, I will click index column and I will select from 1. I will apply the same concept. So I will go to add column and click custom column. I will give the column name running total. And here I will refer the entire table. So I will write the last step name, which is added index, added index. If I click OK, I will receive table in each row. But I don't need the entire table. I just need the order amount column. So I will call order amount column, writing the name in square bracket order amount. If I click OK, now I will get list in each row. So here I will write a function which is list dot first n. If I am in the first row, I want the first value of the list. If I am in the second row, I want the first two value of the list. So I will write the function. Let me go back to the step and write the function list dot first n. The first argument is list as list. I have already the list, comma, and second argument is count or condition, which will be my index column. I will just close the bracket and click OK. You can see now I have first value of the list. In the second row, I have first two value of the list. And if I click on the third row, as you can see, I have received first three value of the list. Now I will sum them. So I will use a function which is list.sum. I will press enter and I will write list.sum. I will just close the bracket and click OK. So I have received my running total. I hope you will like this video. Thank you.